Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Nazars here. I just wanted to come on and show a quick game that you can play with your kids at home. The thing that I love most about playing memory is that you can practice a lot of different things, such as math facts, sight words. You can learn new vocabulary. You can even modify it down to the early childhood level, and you could do matching shapes. So if you are familiar with the game memory, you know that you need to find two pairs that match. For my game of memory, I did multiplication facts, and so all I did was I took a thicker sheet of paper. Any type of paper will work. Just know that if you use traditional paper, it might be see-through, so you might have the answers that are visible. But I took this sheet of paper and I cut it into squares, and then on the squares I went ahead and on one of them I put the multiplication fact, and then on the other I put the answer. So if I were player one, it would be my turn, and I would flip my first card, and this is the answer. This says 24 on it. And I would hold it, and I would look for, well, maybe this one. Oh, this one says 7 times 6, so those two are not matches because 7 times 6 does not equal 24. So I'm going to put those back down, and then it would be the second person's turn to go. However many people you have playing this game, you just go around until everybody has their turn. So this one, 9 times 9, I'm going to look for the answer. And 8 times 3 is not the answer of 9 times 9. So I hope that helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I will help you out. Thanks, guys.